Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Caro, and welcome to Empower Multimedia. Today, we're going to be talking about patent research. Now, just to show some credibility, I did take an intellectual property patent class during my master's, and it was taught by a very intelligent patent attorney. And during this class, they basically told us how to do some patent research just so we don't potentially infringe upon a patent. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you two websites that they basically recommended and some processes that you can go through to do some patent research. So let's begin. So number one, let's get this started. Now, if you're going to do some patent research, you're probably going to be in the position where you're either A, have an idea and you want to make sure it's not already out there. B, you may have done research in the past and you just want to do more extensive research just to see nothing new came up. Or C, this is just for maybe just educational purposes. But if you are in the market and you are doing patent research for a potential product, like I've always been taught, you always want to make sure that your potential idea is novel, useful, and non-obvious. Novel means that it's new and not in the market currently. Useful, obviously, it can be applied to something and make a better outcome for society. And non-obvious is not, what I've been told is non-obvious is actually dedicated towards professionals in a particular field. So if you create a potential service or product in like the finance field, it has to be non-obvious to finance related individuals, not necessarily people that are in cooking, right? So that's what they mean by non-obvious. So the first step you want to do is Google Patents. And during the time of that class, they actually did say that Google Patents is probably the best one out of the two websites I showed you, just because of all the features that it has. So once you get to this page, you kind of just can type in anything you want that you're looking for, whether it's the inventor or the patent name or even the patent number. So let's just type in Apple and let's see what pops up. So as you can see here, there's a lot of different inventions that pop up, and it can relate from Apple, like the product, like for iPhones, things like that, or just like anything related that has the word Apple in it. Now on the left-hand side is kind of where you can filter things from search field, inventors, assignees, and any other information you want to. Now, if you do want to click on some of these patents, what you can do is once you click on it, it'll give you basically the images right here of how the patent looks like, kind of like the abstract of what the patent should do. And most importantly, it can tell you on the right-hand side first, the inventor, the assignee, and if it's still active. So here you can see it's active, right? It looks like they've been doing this since 2010. So if you do want to look up or research a particular inventor, just click on the name and you can actually see all the patents they've created already. So this is going to be very useful. So doing research about this can definitely help you find some information just to make sure A, the patent is not active currently, so you won't be able to infringe on it, and B, to make sure that you are actually creating something that's not already out there. So the second website they mentioned to us is actually from USPTO. So once you get to this website, you go on patents and you should be able to find search for patents right here. And once you click search for patents, you can do either of these three. And just if you do quick search and you can type in the term, let's do it Apple again for this example. And it's going to bring up some patents for you, the patent number, things like that. And let's say you click on this and it'll give you information about the patent, right? And all up-to-date information about it. Similar to Google Patents, but like I mentioned before, I was told that Google Patents is a little bit better according to the experts in the field. Now, it's up to you. I'm just giving you information for your benefit to potentially help you. I'm not saying these two are the only ways you can do your research. There might be other ways to do it, but this is definitely a free way. And if you're very meticulous about this, it can be very vital and pivotal for you, so you don't make any errors in potentially pursuing something that's already out there, that's already active, that's already being monetized, right? Now, Once you do figure out, and you do your market research, and you figure out everything is as you were hoping, feel free to check out some information about my marketing videos, about how to market yourself, branding, or even some videos about how to gain potential investors to invest in your company or invest in your product or service that you want to create from your potential licensing deals. So with that being said, that kind of just sums up this video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, or subscribe on the video if you thought it was helpful. It's not really in-depth by any means, but this is basically what I was taught in my master's. And you're going to have to just do the work and do your own research. But these are the tools that can help you do that. So with that being said, thank you so much and have a wonderful day.